kira-kira nanti mau diolah jadi apa apel-apel ini hasil panennya. Oke, lumayan ya, gede-gede ya. Ini perbedaannya, ini cooking apple dan ini eating apple. Jadi beda ya. Memang kalau cooking apple itu lebih besar biasanya dibandingkan dengan eating apple. Kalau di pasaran harganya lebih mahal yang cooking apple dibandingkan dengan yang eating apple. Nah, ini serupa tapi tak sama. Dari ininya pun dari luarnya pun udah kelihatan kan ya. Ini kayak jambu. Nah, ini sekarang saya mau bikin kue dari cooking apple yang kemarin dipanen. Struktur dalamnya seperti ini. Jadi apel blackberry yang hasil panen.
You don't know who's shadow. You know. You don't know who's shadow.
Yes.
You don't know who's shadow. Shadow is friend of
That is the apple on the top.
On the top, yes.
He can disappear outside without opening the door.
Beautiful. Unique, very nice, very soft.
Very soft. Good.
When I got to work, as you do, I'd ate my breakfast on the way, got my dinner, ate my dinner. Then I picked my little tray up like this, and I was fantastic. I'm going to have my little treat. I opened it up, and guess what was inside? Cake. Fruit cake. I don't eat cake. I've never eaten cake. I've never eaten cake in my life. And I was so, your heart just goes like that. I was hungry as well because I'm on a diet. So I put the lid back on. Unbelievable.
Oh dear. I thought that is for staff.
No, well I gathered that after I'd opened it. I thought it was a little treat for me. Unbelievable. You opened it and I looked at her and I said, oh, unbelievable. Anyway, there you go.
Anyway.
I was so disappointed. I thought I was going to have a little extra treat for my dinner.
But your staff happy?
Oh yeah, they're delirious. They are. All the girls in the office, they can't stop eating it.
What they think, Sitan?
Hold on, come back.
Okay.
Oh, they thought it was beautiful.
Really?
Very nice, yeah. But it's all gone now.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh dear.
I can't understand why I didn't. Well, I couldn't, because you got paper on it, hadn't you, to protect
Yes,
it. So I just thought, I've probably got samosas or something like spring rolls, a little treat for. No. It was cake for the girls in the office.
I thought, this is why this morning I said, why you didn't ask me or something like that, just carry on with it.
If you remember the night before, I said, I'm still hungry. You only get a salad and a bit of fish. I'm still hungry, like 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock in the afternoon. I'm hungry. So I thought, oh, she's a good girl, my she's given me a little extra. No, she hadn't given me any extra. She'd cake for the girls. Typical.
Well, anyway, I cook for dinner then.
Yes, I know.
Oh dear.
Dear.
Sekarang hampir jam 7 malam, masih terang juga, tapi sebentar lagi akan.
It'd be nice if I ate cake, but I don't eat cake. I don't like sweet things. Maybe a little bit of chocolate now and again, but I'm not a cake person.
I know your favorite is peyek.
Payek.
Crispy.
Yeah. Oh.
Yeah.
I can eat them all day long. Right, I'm going to go and play with Alice.
Okay, I cook now. Okay.
You got plenty of self-rising flour here, sweetheart, to make your cake.
Iya, aku tahu.
Need to get some of that sorted.
Yes. Besok aku bikin kue sekarang. Besok kamu mau bawa ke kantor
Just need some
buat karyawan di kantor.
bags, containers, anything like that. Well, it's easy bags or containers. Will be fine.
Ya, maksudku, aku bikin kue, kemudian besok kamu bawa ke kantor buat karyawan.
Okay.
Aku bikin dengan blackberry dan apel juga. Bagaimana?
Sounds good. Yeah.
Ya. Besok bawa ya. Aku bikin sekarang. Mau pergi kemana, sweetheart?
Down, really down.
Oh, mau buang sampah. Mau buang sampah. Sweetheart,
Yeah.
kamu mau buang sampah?
Yeah, terima kasih.
No, I'm serious. Kamu mau buang sampah?
Yeah, terima kasih.
Kamu mau buang ke sampah?
Yeah, once and papa. Yeah, okay.